what? People always ask me, "Erlyn, how do you stay so confident, so focused, so you?" The truth is, I wasn't always like this. Lately, I've been so distracted talaga. Dumating talaga sa point na parang scroll na lang ako ng scroll and ang gulo-gulo talaga ng utak ko. No motivation, low energy. Parang nawawala na yung control sa time ko, ganun. Sabi ko, girl, you need to slow down and take back your mind. Then I found this thing called Atomic Focus. And alam mo bang, it's a 30-day challenge to rebuild your focus. One habit a day, no pressure, no toxic hassle, just tiny wins that makes you feel good again, to feel more calm. That's why I'm doing it, but not just for me, because I am inviting you to join me too. So to all of my girls out there, let's do this, sister. Sister, the link is on my bio, and you know what? Spots are limited. So, sabay-sabay tayo, okay? I got you, sister.